supports this forum to discuss the anti-Islamic flyers targeted at the Somali community, distributed around St.Cloud in December of 2009. We support organizers CAIR, Council on American Islamic Relations, Minnesota chapter, hope that this town hall meeting will be a step towards building a stronger community. This incident shows the need of dismantling racism through systemic change, which is the mission of Create Community. Create Community made a public statement to the City of Council of St.Cloud in support of a fully funded human rights office with a human rights director. Create Community reminds the community that it will pay a reward of up to $1,000 for information received on any unsolved bias crime in the Tri County area, provided the information leads to an arrest and a formal charging of the person or persons responsible for committing the bias crime. This applies to any unsolved bias crime, not just those featured in various media formats. For the purposes of this reward system, and as reflected in Minnesota State Statute, bias offense means conduct that will constitute a crime and was committed because of a victim's or another's actual or perceived race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, disability, as defined in the Minnesota State Statute, Section 363A.03, age or national origin. Thank you.
So now we're going to be opening up the mic for questions and answers. So I'm going to ask the speakers to please come forward, and you can take a seat here for the panelists. So if you have any questions or concerns, please, you can come to the mic here. And as I had indicated earlier, just to make sure that everyone gets an opportunity to ask a question or share their feelings or concerns or questions, let's be respectful for each other and listen to each other and not take more than 1 minute. I might ask you to step back if it's more than 1 minute, so please forgive me ahead of time. So, and if you can say your name, and if you're affiliated in any organization, that's fine. If not, just say your name, please.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. My name is Elyea. I'm the co-founder of Hands Across the World. I belong to the Civil Review Board of the Police Department, and I am a Franciscan associate. Tonight, I'm representing the students of Hands Across the World. Most of them are Muslims. Who are we to judge this person whose anger is against the Muslims? It could be in the future a poster of Jesus Christ or the Dalai Lama or Gandhi around the city. More than a civil rights issue, we are confronting a morality issue, an indignant issue against one of the religions in our city. Years ago, Pope John Paul II, visiting his jail, the man that attacked him and forgave him. This sentiment of forgiveness is the same feeling that our Muslim brothers and sisters at Hands Across the World had expressed in our conversations. Our Muslim students feel sadness and want to forgive the person that is trespassing against them. They are praying for this person who doesn't know nothing or little about their religion. We want to invite this person to share our bread, have a breakfast with us, and know each other. In the last 5 years, a group of Franciscan sisters have been studying the Muslim religion. If this person feels better to sit with them and talk about this specific religion, I think it is a good opportunity to sit with people where there is trust. Leave your fear, confront your reality, sit and talk about your unhappiness. The new immigrants in St.Cloud are happy living in this city. Can we have a town hall meeting on how we're working together for a better progress in skills for our new friends? Can we have a town hall meeting on how can we support them to progress at the same pace of the rest of